Hello everyone, my name is Juni Choi and today I'll be presenting you about my honors capstone project called UNiV. Before diving into the details and the presentation, I want to talk about what inspired me to do this project and some general background information of Honduras. So basically I was born and raised in Honduras, which is a Central American country located near the equator. There are millions of people living in extreme poverty throughout the country. In rural areas, about 1 out of 5 people live in extreme poverty where they would earn less than $1.60 per day. And many people who live in these conditions, they don't have access to basic necessities such as food, water, electricity, clothing, and more. And as you can see here from the graph obtained by the National Institute of Statistics in Honduras, nearly 60% of the household in Honduras has lived in poor conditions during the last 18 years. Adding on to this fact, Honduras has an average temperature of 76 degrees Fahrenheit to 84 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year, and it often exceeds above 90 degrees Fahrenheit levels as well, especially in the summer. Since middle school, I was deeply inspired to give back to the community in some way that could help the people in Honduras live a better life. Now that I have the industrial engineering skills and entrepreneurship skills, I have decided to initialize my visions of helping others by creating a sustainable and durable shoe that hopefully will benefit the society as a whole. So this is where the idea of UNiV comes from. UNiV is a universal footwear for all, which is made of sustainable and durable materials that is specifically designed to withstand extreme temperatures, surfaces, and conditions. The main purpose of this is to help the people in need in Honduras. As you can see here from the design section, UNIV is made of 100% recycled materials, where almost 70% of the shoe will be made of rubber. The rubber used for designing this shoe will be obtained mostly from recycled tires because there's a lot of unused tires lying around the junkyards and car repairing shops in Honduras. So instead of throwing them away and harming the environment, I plan to use them for a greater purpose, which is to help the people. Some other benefits of rubber is that it is able to withstand extreme temperatures, which is perfect for UNIV since Honduras is a tropical country where there's a lot of heat and hot days throughout the year. Also, rubber soles prevent slipping and falling. This is an important aspect of the shoe since many kids in Honduras enjoy outdoor activities and this will ensure their safety. Similarly, adults work and walk for countless hours, and this will ensure their safety even on rainy days or rocky surfaces. Last but not least, rubber is an excellent material for absorbing shock. It is durable, lightweight, comfortable, and breathable. All these benefits will ensure that the person wearing this shoe will have a positive experience using it throughout the day, and it also makes it a versatile footwear. So you might be wondering, where will I get the fund to pay for the production cost? I have contacted multiple charitable organizations, which they all agreed to help me with the funding, and I will use the GoFundMe platform to raise awareness and get funds. Additionally, I have contacted my local high school in Honduras for funds, and they agreed to work with me and approve the idea and the purpose of UNIF. I know that enough funds will be collected because there are many people in Honduras, including myself, family, and friends, and even all the citizens, they are actively involved in giving back to the community. So far, I have received about $600 from my friends and family members for this project. Here is a finalized design of UNIV. As mentioned before, the shoe is versatile and it can be used for multiple purposes, such as outdoor activities and indoor activities as well. It is both durable and comfortable, and all sizes will be available, ranging from children to adult sizes. In order to validate and initialize the production process, I contacted a local Honduran activewear brand called The Bear, and I presented them my product. They were deeply interested in it. They're helping me right now to produce it, and they approved the idea of helping the people in need. After some adjustments to meet the criteria, I had the design approved from the Bear, Some adjustments were that I used other materials such as plastic and matte just for aesthetic purposes. And after months of working and communicating with them, the design is finalized and approved for production, which is planned to launch in summer 2022 near June. Last but not least, there are some final steps and future work that I would like to complete as soon as possible. Around May, I'll be visiting Honduras in order to launch and finalize the production process with the bear. The reason for this is that I want to be physically present in order to ensure that everything is going smoothly. And also at the same time, I plan to meet with three big charity organizations in Honduras in order to distribute my product throughout the rural areas and cities of the country. And additionally, I have scheduled a meeting with a local friend who is a professional shoe designer in order to gain more insight and recommendations for future designs. And also, nothing would make me happier than me personally visiting the cities and distributing UNiV throughout the country. So final note, I plan to extend my product to different countries in Central America. But before doing that, I want to ensure that my main mission of helping Honduras is accomplished. This concludes my presentation for today. Thank you so much for listening. If there are any questions, please reach out to me. Please feel free to ask me any questions. Thank you.